The Fractal Design Epoch RGB tempered glass is a case that brings the familiar Fractal identity here, clean, minimal, airflow-focused design into a compact mid-tower case. It's a chassis that doesn't try to shock you with exotic materials or shapes, but instead aims for refined simplicity, premium fans, and a smooth building experience. With Fractal's excellent Momentum 12 RGB fans included in the front, the Epoch is clearly aimed at builders who care about good thermals and quiet operation right out of the box. Alright, quick pause here, because I know some of you are still rocking that little Activate Windows watermark on your desktop. Yep, don't worry, that's where keysfan.com comes in. They've got super affordable legit keys for Windows 10, Windows 11 and even Microsoft Office. No more dropping a fortune just to keep your PC happy. Find the Windows you want at the checkout, enter LUP50 for 50% off on all Windows keys or LUP62 for 62% on any Office products. Check out using your credit card or PayPal, in the matter of seconds you will receive your key. Super cheap, super easy, check the links in the description. Now back to the video. The case measures 447 by 215 by 469 mm and weight around 7.86 kilos, which places it comfortably in the mid-tower range. It supports ATX, Micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards. The overall footprint is compact but still functional enough, balancing a small desk presence with internal flexibility. Design-wise, the Epoch is understated yet elegant. The front is made entirely of steel mesh, bordered by a subtle plastic frame. You get soft curves at the corners, straight edge lines throughout, and a smooth dark grey finish that looks cleaner and more refined than typical matte black cases. The tempered glass side panel comes with a light tint, offering visibility without overly reflective look. Unlike some of the Fractal's more experimental cases, like the North or the Pop series, the Epoch plays it safe here. Classic Fractal design language, great proportions, and a focus on practical airflow rather than flashy styling RGB things. Front I/O panel here has a simple layout and modern actually. You get one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.0 Type-A ports, one audio combo jack, and there's a power button with a very subtle white LED indicator, almost too subtle as it's easy to miss it at a glance. There's no reset switch here or hard drive activity light, which keeps the static clean, but a small status LED would have added some usability for builders who like system feedback. Both side panels are secured with captive thumb screw at the back, making removal tool-free and actually straightforward. The tempered glass panel on the left slides out easily, while the solid steel panel on the right reveals Fractal's neatly pre-routed cables and tie points. The top panel includes a perforated dust filter that's held in place by a neat cloth pull tab, allowing you to lift it up for fan or radiator installation. Overall, every panel feels sturdy, well-fitted and easy to remove, typical of Fractal's build quality. The front panel consists of a full steel mesh layer, providing unrestricted airflow and acting as the main dust filter here. Behind it are three pre-installed Fractal Momentum 12 RGB 120mm fans, which are some of the brand's best performance and retails for around 75 as a 3-pack. So for the cooling here, the front supports 3 120 or 2 140mm fans, radiator support up to 360 or 280mm. The mesh itself is coarse enough for airflow but doesn't feature any additional fine layers, so some smaller dust particles may still pass through. A removable secondary filter would have been ideal here, though cleaning is still easy enough. Inside, the layout is compact but efficient. The motherboard tray supports Mini ITX, Micro ATX and ATX formats with well-placed grommeted routing holes for clean cable management. You get a CPU cooler clearance up to 170mm, GPU clearance up to 372mm, PSU lengths up to 255mm or 155 with both hard drive trays installed inside. At the top you can install two 120 or two 140mm fans, 240mm radiators, maximum size supported here. However, the top clearance is tight, so installing a 240mm AIO will block access to the motherboard's top edge headers, so pre-routing of the cables is highly recommended here. At the rear, there's mounting for one 120mm fan or the radiator, while the bottom is left clean for the PSU airflow. Overall, the Epoch's cooling flexibility is designed around strong front-to-back airflow pattern rather than radiator-heavy builds, and that's where those momentum fans really shine. The rear side follows a traditional layout. You'll find 7 expansion slots with reusable metal covers, a removable PSU bracket for rear PSU installation, and 120mm fan or radiator mount with elongated slots for fine positioning up or down. Fractal also uses an open vented rear design, allowing warm air to escape freely here. The overall construction actually feels rigid and premium, nothing rattles here, nothing flexes. On the backside, cable management is textbook Fractal style. You get large hooks and tie points, 3 Velcro straps pre-installed, cables pre-routed neatly from the factory, and the main cable channel runs centrally for that clean routing, though a few more Velcro straps would have been nice here. Storage support is also excellent, 2 2.5 trays behind the motherboard tray, 3 multi-drive trays that can each hold one 3.5 and one 2.5 drives, and one additional 3.5 mount under the PSU shroud. That's up to 6 drives in total, more than what you typically get in this size class. All drive trays use screw mounts with rubber dampeners for noise control. The PSU bay includes foam pads for vibration isolation and plenty of routing holes, though space becomes tight if both lower high drive trays are used. In my testing, the Epoch performs exactly as expected for a mesh front air-cooled case. With the stock triple momentum 12 fans, airflow is direct and efficient. CPU and GPU temperatures stay comfortably below typical load thresholds, even during extended stress tests. Ryzen 7 9800X3D cooled with a Deep Cool Assassin 4 VC Vision, that's the one that has vapor chamber, amazing air cooler, you'll see it on the channel as well. I added 2 120 Montec E28 fans up top and no fan on the back. Idle for the CPU was at 35 degrees, which is impressive, gaming around 56 degrees on average, and maxing out in Cinebench at around 79 degrees. For an air cooler, impressive numbers. GPU is the RTX 4070 Ti Super, pretty solid performer. Idle was around 29 degrees, gaming and maximum load is pretty much locked at 55 degrees. The airflow path is clean and positive pressure biased here, meaning air comes in strong from the front side and exits through the top and rear without any turbulences or noises. And noise levels remain actually super low thanks to the fan's excellent bearing design and Fractal's solid steel panels. And if you use your own custom fan curves, the case runs quiet while maintaining very good thermals as well. It's ideal for users who value balanced acoustics. So time for some pros and cons. For the pros, it includes 3 premium Momentum 12 RGB fans, which is already around $75 saved. It has clean, compact and airflow focused design. Excellent build quality and finish. It has up to 6 drive bays with flexible configuration, strong out-of-the-box thermal performance, and it also has pre-routed and sleeved cabling. Easy panel removal, of course, and tool-free design all across the case, USB-C and dual USB-A front I/O panel. But it also has some cons. The top mount is limited to 240mm radiators only. It has tight clearance above the motherboard area. The front mesh could use finer filtration. PSU space is limited when using both hard drive trays, and tiny power LED, no hard drive indicator, and it could use more Velcro straps at the back. And there is no bottom fan mounts, but they can be installed here anyway with a little bit of old school MacGyvering things. So the Fractal Design Epoch RGB tempered glass is exactly what you expect from a Fractal case. Refined, practical and thoughtfully engineered. It's not a flashy case, but that is its strength actually. It focuses on core functionality here, airflow, quality and usability. For only $129.99, it's excellent value considering you get 3 high-end RGB fans in the box. The airflow design, build precision and clean interior layout makes it a fantastic option for anyone planning an air-cooled build, and this is where it shines the most. Yes, the top radiator clearance is a limitation here, and PSU space can be a bit restrictive, but those are minor compromises in an otherwise well-rounded chassis here. So if you're looking for something compact, quiet and premium looking without unnecessary gimmicks, the Epoch hits that sweet spot perfectly. So that's it guys, hope you liked the video, sub to the channel, like it and share it, and I'll see you in another one.